How to use Monday.com for project management. In this video, we'll discuss how we can go to Monday.com and we'll see how we can manage our projects using this website. Now, to do this, the process is simple, quick, and easy. Just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. First step is we will log into our account using our Google account. Once you have created your account, it will ask you these kind of questions. I have selected work management before this, so it is showing me this kind of interface. Now here it has asked me to include all the things that we're gonna need in our board. For example, I'm gonna include let's say I'm gonna include status, due date, budget, and priority. Let's continue with this. And here there are a couple of things that you need to answer before actually going to the dashboard. Here include the things that you want or not. Now, for example, I'm going to add this and I'm going to add this as well. So here there are different view layout that you can go and select. For example, in table, it will be like this. In timeline, it will be like this. You can go and select these. I'm going to select table. And here I'm going to list my projects. Let's say these are our projects that we want to work on. And here I'm going to go and click on get started button. After that, it will take you to your project dashboard. And as you guys can see, everything is so well maintained and you can add column here according to your need. This app is actually really easy to use. Now I can add an update right here. I can select the priority I want, budget, last updated. I can edit these things just on a single click. I can add tasks. This website has done a very good job in project management, and you can go and use it for yourself as well. Well, I hope this you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.